How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today it's Friday. It's after work. I do have to work tomorrow though, Saturday, unfortunately. But anyways, we had a lot of rain the night before. Like, I'm talking, it rained from about 6, 7 p.m. to about 11, 12 o'clock today. So we got about 3 inches of rain. So you know what that means? Flooded roads. So right now I'm gonna kind of a little bit of exploring, hit my usual spot for flooded roads. Okay, we got the sign up. That's always a good sign of a flooded road. See how bad, you all know the spot I'm about to show you all. I mean, if you all have been with the channel long enough, I've probably shown you at some point. High waters, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we got it. Okay, cool. Danger, we got it. Cool, whatever. Oh, that is a no bueno. Not today, Satan. Holy crap. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, the bridge was right about there. Huh. Well, that's not good. Not good. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to go the back way. Now I gotta somehow turn around. There's a log floating. But yeah, guys, don't get me wrong, I love driving through flooded bridges and flooded areas if it's low enough. That is unsafe. This is what they mean on the news by don't chance it, just turn around and don't drown. That's what they're talking about, because that is way too quick for my truck. My truck will almost weigh 6,000 pounds, it's about a 3-ton truck. But that is just way, way, way too rapid, and I can't tell where the bridge is at and all that other stuff. And that's probably and you hit that middle part, and if you don't go fast enough, it's probably a good 3 to 4 feet deep. So I am not gonna chance it when it comes to this. So we'll find somewhere else to go down, but this is not worth it. But holy crap, that's how high the water's gotten. All right, boys and girls, we've got our first water crossing, and that's not dangerous high water. Good Lord, that's like low water right here. Let's do this. This is not that high. I've been through here multiple times when it was a lot higher. Yeah. Those big 20 by 12 line paddle tires, boys. That's just turning, burning. It's not that bad. Yeah, that was about, I don't know, probably 6 to 8 inches deep in some parts. It wasn't terrible at all. We have a little bit of flooded roads right here. It's not like the last vlog, we had a major flood. Tag will be popping up for that right now, where this whole road was underwater. I mean, the whole daggum, yeah, the whole daggum road was underwater. Like, all of this was like, we were forging about a foot and a half of water through here. Me and Hunter were, when he had the black Tacoma lifted on 33s. Yeah, this is, it's still pretty flooded. I mean, it's not crazy like it was that one vlog, but we got a little bit of water action. I mean, if it rained more tonight, I mean, look at that. That's how flooded this thing is. If it rained more tonight, like it did last night, then yeah, we would have a major flood vlog coming. We got the rock lights going, we'll force through some water. It ain't down. When you have a second breakfast of champions, orange juice or orangeade, and a honey bun. So glad I can eat all this and not gain any away from it. But anyways, guys, it's currently Sunday. I'm going over to Pop's to spray off the truck because, again, it's nasty from all this weather we've had lately. It sucks. And then I'm going to be making some other videos coming out this week. When you see this video, I hope you all had a happy new year. I hope all your dreams and wishes come true this year. Kick ass. Make sure you go after what you want, guys. And like I said at the end of every video, never give up on your dreams. So we'll see where this day goes from here. All right, guys, as you can see, I got the truck sprayed off. Looking a lot better. Still need to when I get the chance. The reason why I haven't made that video, guys, on my full detail process I do when I do the truck is because we haven't had, like, we'll have a day like today, and then literally tomorrow is supposed to be raining. So once we get a few good days of sunshine, I'll do a full detail process of how I detail my truck for you all. But what I like to do a lot of times in the winter time especially is just spray it off. That way you get most of the big stuff off the truck, especially up in the wheel wells and all these nooks and crevices right through here, up underneath here, over here. That way you get all the crap out of your truck, especially on these older trucks like to rot out in places like that. So if you get up underneath there and you get it cleaned off, you lower the chances of it doing that drastically. So right now it is Tuesday. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy 2019. I hope you all had a great New Year's. I hope you all didn't party too much and get too drunk and whatnot. And please make sure you hopefully the Trucks and Water family made great decisions last night, didn't drink and drive or anything like that, guys. It's not worth it. Right now I'm meeting up with Hunter for lunch. I have Tuesday off from work, and then we're gonna work on the truck, and then we'll see where we go from there. But Happy New Year's, guys. Hope 2019 you fulfill all your hopes and dreams and your goals of 2019. See if Hunter's already here. I don't see him just yet, but we'll see if he's already here at Zaxby's. Oh, that little squirt. Yep, he's already here. He's walking back to his SUV. All right, guys, me and Hunter are now heading back to my house to work on the truck and some other stuff. And then I don't know where he's going, but we're trying to head back to my house, so. All right, this can get interesting, I guess. All right, guys, we just got done installing the lights on my truck. The amber LED tag will be popping up for that video on the install video from Last Fit LED. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the support and the products. So right now we're gonna put the decal on the side of the truck, which you saw in a previous video anyways for the new sponsorship. Go right there. Put the new decal on it, and then we'll go off there. I don't know where the rest of this day goes. I think we might be going to Mexico today. Yeah, right. Having some fun over there in Mexico. We are now back in Mexico. We are definitely back in Mexico. Hunter is blowing through a tube right now. A horse is freaking out in the, it's one of those things that makes a horse run around in circles to exercise them. The dog's ready to run. Hunter's ready to, again, he's trying to clean this thing out. Trying to get the golf cart running. So it's just a normal day in Mexico.
Normal day.
Normal day. How many people does it take to pour gas into a golf cart? Let's see.
A lot.
Yeah. Oh, you big baby, stop it. You're fine. Well, Hunter,
we may have to jump in.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's no battery in it. We're stupid as hell. Alrighty.
I guess we're just either gonna walk up there or
we'll take a Kubota.
Take the Kubota. All right.
What the hell?
Someone stole your battery.
That was literally. I'm gonna go ask where that's at. What do we got, Josh?
We got a 230 CRF 230, I believe, or it's a 150. I can't tell.
She's a little rough.
Yeah, it's a little rough, but it's a Honda. I can't tell if it's got a choke or not, though. We should. Let's see one if there is one.
I don't think there is one on this thing, because usually they're up here, aren't they? On the Kawasaki's, they're up top.
Yeah. See that on or off? I think that's on. All right. Let's see here. Brake, clutch.
Careful, Lily likes jumping in front of that thing if it starts.
Okay, it's not going to start by that.
Do we have a kickstart?
They should have a kick.
There is no kick.
Bull crap.
How does it not have a kickstart?
It should have a kick.
There's really not a kickstart on this thing. How? So it's just an electric?
Yeah, it's just electric then.
How the hell do you get started if battery dies then?
That's what I'm wondering.
Everything here is dead because it never, nothing. That's why we need to get here and start using some of this stuff.
It should have a kick.
I'm not seeing a kick. We'd have to go push it up the hill, and then you.
I've never bumped one of these though.
You haven't bumped one?
I've never bumped one, no. Unless I'm doing the electric wrong.
Key on?
I don't know which way's on, which way's off of this key though.
What's this thing do?
That's
Take off.
That's the kill.
Okay. I guess we could almost probably How do you take the seat off? These seats can come off?
Yeah, they should.
You probably have to undo like 14 different bolts. Oh, jeez. Okay. How do you take them off? Don't tell me you have to take this off.
No, you shouldn't.
See, if this was a Kawasaki, it'd be a lot more simple. Push. Hi-ho. I'm such a good friend, filming you.
Well, guys, I guess we're not going to ride the Honda today. You won't be able to see my awesome skills on a Honda. This is what I grew up on. Before, a lot of people don't know, before I got into trucks, I was really heavily into dirt bikes. All I rode was Honda. So maybe in the next little while on the channel, I'll get a bike so we can ride it. Since we couldn't get the bike to start, we're in the Kubota now. Diesel life.
I actually got a test to see if the tractor will start, the big boy.
Oh, the big dog?
You've never seen that thing start, have you?
No.
It always black smokes when you turn it on. It's hilarious.
It doesn't have depth fluid or EGR on it?
No depth.
We're trying to get this stupid thing to start. This is ridiculous. Holy shit, Hunter. Yeah. It's a very peaceful ride, Hunter. God! Ow! God. If only someone took the razor to Tommy's to get it fixed. How is this more fun? I'm riding on the back of a broken four-wheeler.
Don't let that rope get stuck.
Oh, God! Yay! So, you know, we work on trucks and whatnot, you know, all that, and we can't get a 90cc little four-wheeler to start. The Kimco will, the Arctic Cat won't.
She gone. Oh my God, we had it running.
Yeah.
3 times.
Yeah. I just won't want to get on throttle. We're down in the Kubota. Running Hunter down. Diesel power! Diesel power! Platinum, Hunter's SUV, Ashley. Alright guys, we got the Arctic Cat start, but I gotta keep my finger on the throttle because the carburetor needle that keeps it idling does not want to idle. But Hunter's about to do something really stupid. Nice little wheelie. So now we're towing the golf cart that has no battery in it with the Kubota, so that way we can get up to the garage. So it needs to be sitting down here. God bless it, son. This is some redneck ingenuity, boys and girls. All right, guys, I am absolutely starting to really dig the amber lights now back on the truck. You know, I like the white on white, don't get me wrong, and I'll probably will eventually go back to it, but for right now, these amber LED lights are fan-freaking-tastic. Matched up with my rock lights, oh my God, it looks so good. They also match, like, you know, my directionals on my mirrors right there. Oh my gosh, it looks so daggum good. But I want to, again, huge shout out to Last Fit All LED. Everything will be down in the description. The links to everything, all the low beams and the turn signal lights, guys. Can't thank them enough for that, but dadgum, the truck looks so daggum good with them on. Gave her a little bit of a bath because she was nasty from going to Mexico, where the roads are bad down there. But yeah, she looks daggum good.